HTML editors, or text editors in the context of web development, are tools that facilitate the creation, editing, and management of HTML. There are many HTML editors available, ranging from simple text editors to feature-rich integrated development environments, IDEs. Some of them are VSCode, Atom, Notepad++, and also you can use additional Sheet.com Playground as well. For this example, I am using Visual Studio Code, or we can call it as VSCode. Now, open VS Code and select New File. To save the file, now go to File menu, select Save As. Select the type as all and then name the file as index.html. Then click Save button. Now add HTML basic syntax. Now open the file in File Explorer and then select the HTML file, right-click, then Open. The file would open in the default browser. Here you can see, no context except page title. Now add the body tag to see the data in the browser. I am adding simple h1 tag here. Now save and refresh the browser. Now you can see h1 tag content reflected successfully in the browser. Similarly, you can use our additional Sheet.com Playground as well. Copy the content from the file and paste in the playground. Now you can see the output similar to browser. Thank you. Please subscribe and visit our additional Sheet.com website and explore the playground as well.